Today, we're going for a long run. The Hills pay the bills today, y'all. Let's see where we at. QB, Queensboro Bridge. More miles to go. We're 2 miles in. We're crossing the Queensboro Bridge. On our way to Manhattan, baby. More miles to go. Run chance. Look, we outside.
Get to work.
We just crossed the Queensboro Bridge. We in Manhattan. On our way to Central Park. There's more miles to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. More miles to go.
I met baby at Johnny Vinny's and let it ride in the city. I got a couple president child and time alone. I might step out tonight just to crack something big. I got balls and shit.
So we here, Long Island City, to Central Park.
Yeah.
We about to get a lap. Hills pay the bill.
Let's get this work in, man.
That's what we do.
Let's get this work. Run champs, baby.
We 10K in, halfway through our run. We still in Central Park. About to finish up this lap. Mama, start heating up the food.
Yeah.
We on our way.
All right, we did it, baby. 10 miles.
Boom, boom. There we go. 10 miles, Queensboro Bridge, a lap in Central Park. Run chance.
Let's go, baby.
Ah!
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you, JB.
Thank you for running.
Let's go. Thank you for running.